If I can find it. Okay, here we go, y'all. This is the Meguiar's all-wheel cleaner. You're supposed to spray it on the car. You're supposed to turn the rims a different color. So we're going to see what it can do for the 22s. They're actually pretty clean, so I'm trying to keep them clean, but I like to get my rims clean before I go to the car wash. They have done a good job, but these are pretty clean already. So we'll see. So pretty much you just spray. Spray, spray, spray. You want to get up in a spoke. That's it. And then you want to, just get the bars. You should get the bars. Spray, spray, spray. Yeah, so they're already pretty clean because I did them last week. But I was just doing a review for you guys to let you know how I feel about the product. Actually, I think it's pretty good. Pretty good. They lasted a whole week. And they still look like they're pretty clean. So I don't know if it's going to change purple for you guys. We'll see. So there you have it. I guess I do have some dirt on there still, probably brake dust. As you see, it turns purple when it's going to fight the dirt and get the dirt off the rims. Turn this way so you guys can see it again. Yeah, so it works pretty good. You put the leather sit on here for like 4 to 5 minutes, and after that you just rinse it off. So I'm gonna give y'all a close up right now, but like I said, I think they was already pretty much clean because I cleaned them last week. If you do this on a regular basis, like once a week, your rims will always be clean. Bonus clip, I forgot to let you guys know, you want to make sure you clean your rims while they're cool, not hot. You don't want to do it with hot brakes or hot rims. That's what it lets you know on the bottle. So trying to do some product reviews, try to bring you guys some different content, you know. So thanks for the support. Like, leave a comment, let me know what you guys want to see next. Peace.